Look at all these Amazon organizers that I spent so much money on. So you better believe when I found these at Dollar Tree, I was jumping up and down the aisles. These are nice and deep. However, they fit perfectly in drawers. They fit perfectly in your refrigerator. And you can see here on the back side, they have sort of a grooved area, so it's not sliding around as easily. You can see here it is looking excellent inside of my refrigerator. These also work excellent inside of your drawer if you're looking for a great way to organize all of those kitchen towels or your pot holders. Nice and beautiful. I am loving this. Thumbs up if you agree. How about organizing all of that produce? Use one of these clear acrylic bins to put all your fresh produce in there. It makes it more appetizing. It makes you want to eat it rather than some of the junky things. I recently showed this on a previous video. These are Dollar Tree organizers as well. This is my AKA cleaning closet / kids craft closet / anything that you could possibly think of, but these clear organizers would also look excellent in here. In fact, they're better quality than the ones that I just showed you. I'm going to be using these in an upcoming client project, so make sure that you subscribe if you love home extreme makeovers. Now, oh my word, this is much cheaper than on Amazon. In fact, I do own these from Amazon. Look at how nice and orderly my refrigerator is. But you can use this for so many different things other than organizing your pop cans. You see this large one right here? Yep, this is from Amazon, but the Dollar Tree version works just as well, which is fantastic because you're going to save yourself so much money. And what's great about these is you can easily pull them in and out of your refrigerator or your freezer because of this nice little handle on the outside of it. And it's super easy to clean. You've just organized your refrigerator on pennies almost. Look underneath this bathroom sink. Another great way to use this to organize all of your cleaning supplies. What's great is you could also pull this in and out just like you did in your refrigerator so that you are easily able to access the items in the back. Your cupboards and drawers are going to look more organized than ever before. Oh, the smells, all the smells. Amazon is selling something very similar for a very pricey, hefty amount, but look at how beautiful these amber bottles are and the label on them, and the sprayer is excellent. All you need to do is push it in and out. This is going to work great in any area in your home if you wanted to use it to freshen up some linens or pillows or your couch. They had two flavors, if you will. How about some stinky shoes? Oh yes, this works great for freshening up those shoes. This is our mudroom area, and it can tend to get a little stinky with 6 people in and out here and kids and sporting events. Look at how nice this looks in my bathroom. Yes, next to the poo spray for just $1.25, you have a beautiful smelling bathroom, amber flavored, and I have to say both of these scents were very nice. Need a little poo spray? Yep, it works just as well for that before or after your number 2s. Since we're on the topic of smells, I had to show you a couple of my favorite, well actually 3 of my favorite de-stinking solutions that come from Dollar Tree. I love these stick-ups. These are excellent. You can put these in so many different places and spaces in your house. You can control the amount of scent that is released based upon how far you extend it. But inside here in my garbage can, now this has been in there for several days now and it is still smelling amazing. The best part is all you need to do is just stick it and leave it. So if you have some lingering smells in areas, maybe potentially in a closet or here in our mudroom area, I'm just going to pop this baby up near the backpacks and where all the yuck tends to accumulate here in my mudroom area. Now it smells so fresh whenever we come in from the garage. This is excellent. I love that it's 2-in-1. It's not only an air freshener, but it's also an odor eliminator. Outside, our garbage cans get really smelly with recycling and garbage, and also, of course, gym shoes. This mat gets so much traffic in and out, so I like to do a little squirt every single day. Now, the next freshener I want to show you here, just in case you have some lingering smells in your house, is this pop-up. This is nothing new. I'm just sharing something with you that I love and that I use time and time again when it comes to good smelling things at the Dollar Tree. In an upcoming video, I'm going to be doing an entire garage clean out, so make sure that you are subscribed for that one. Look at this sad garbage can. When I saw a bigger version, I was so happy. This is going to look so much better in our garage refresh, and it's bigger so that we can put more things in it. But not only garbage, you could store things in your garage. How about pool toys? How about cleaning supplies? Yes, these are actually stored in a bathroom with a shower. Actually, it doesn't get used much in our house, but this is much better. This garbage can for storing all of your brooms upright rather than having to hang stuff on the wall and then things falling down. How about these microfiber cleaning towels? Much pricier on Amazon. So I just want to show you a comparison here from our Amazon version. Don't get me wrong, the Amazon version is fantastic, but if I can find something cheaper at Dollar Tree, I'm very happy about that. The texture, everything is pretty much the same in my opinion. So if you're looking to save a few extra pennies, grab yours from Dollar Tree. They worked perfectly. I love them. Now this is not from Dollar Tree, but it is my favorite granite gold cleaner. Nothing in this video is sponsored. Many of you asked me what is the best way to clean granite countertops, and this is my favorite because it is streak free, and I've tried all the things out in the market, but you can see here the Dollar Tree cloth works amazing. Are you looking for a clever way to hang and dry your microfiber towels? Well, all you need is a clothespin. As you can see here, I often hang my cleaning gloves on there, but I like to do it with microfiber towels as well. Now, this is Easy Tape on the left-hand side from Amazon, but Dollar Tree also sells their very own version. So if you don't need a big giant roll, grab the Dollar Tree one. Typically, it is in the craft section. Now, look at this weird cleaning contraption. You may have seen these cleaners. I actually own it on Amazon, but I'm going to show you a little trick when it comes to these because it works just as well. You're also going to grab yourself a Dollar Tree bucket. This bathtub gets used almost every single day. How about showers? If you don't have a bath, cleaning showers is a pain in the butt. How about up high? Cobwebs and dust tends to accumulate up there. It's often neglected. This is actually a Dollar Tree cleaner I showed in a previous video. It has a nice light scent to it. I love that it is a spray foam, so you can apply it so easily both in your bathtub and in your shower. You can see here it's getting all those nooks and crannies. You are saving your back by not having to bend over deep in that tub and your knees. I hated cleaning the bathtub prior to this because it just was too time consuming and I didn't want to be on my hands and knees scrubbing inside of a bathtub. Just taking our Dollar Tree bucket and rinsing everything down. I actually use this to water my plants outside. That way I have to make less trips. Do you hate dusting? I'm not a big fan of dusting, but all you need to do is put your microfiber towel on our cleaning brush kebabber. I don't know, we need to come up with a fun name for this one. And then a Dollar Tree furniture polish. This is my favorite one. It smells amazing. Spray down your microfiber towel and you can dust in so many different places with this. And the brush was able to hold on to that microfiber towel so nicely. Now, unfortunately, I could not get it in between the spindles, but if I want to dust anything up high, this is fantastic. Now, I will say it's pokey, so it's going to leave some marks in your microfiber towel. So just keep this one on hand whenever you want to do a little high-end dusting. Check out this brush. You can buy a similar Grout Brush on Amazon, more expensive. See my grout here? We're going to clean a very dirty spot. I'm going to show you the fastest way and easiest way to clean your grout. Grab this brush. It's nice and sturdy. It's got a great handle. Get yourself some hydrogen peroxide and you can actually put a spray top on your bottle. You're going to spray it on down, or in my case, pour it on down. Scrub with your brush. Now, in real time, I did this for maybe 30 seconds. This is by far the easiest way to clean that grout. Skip the baking soda. It is going to leave such a mess for you. Look at how much dirt and grime was picked up. This brush is absolutely fantastic, life-saving, game changer. You could clean any sort of grout quickly and easily without having to get down on your hands and your knees. And like I said, skip the baking soda. Even though other people will tell you to use it, it is such a mess to clean up. Let's look here at the before and the after. You can see it is much cleaner and it is not even fully dried. I can tell you several days later, this is looking much whiter and brighter than you're seeing on screen now. This is literally like 10-15 minutes later. Now we're going to head on over and grab the over-the-door hooks. There's two options available. This one I did buy on Amazon, but you do not need to spend your precious dollars. I just use it here to hang up two of my girls' hair bows and hair clips. There's so many different things that you can do with these over-the-door hangers. You can hang brooms, you can hang backpacks, you can hang coats, you've automatically increased your vertical storage space. In fact, I'm going to be using these in an upcoming client refresh using almost all Dollar Tree items. So make sure that you are subscribed because you are going to love it. It is a 700 square foot apartment approximately, and I'm going in all the spaces to help inspire you. You may have seen these round hoop sort of things in the craft section. Now, I am not a crafter. That is not what we are going to be using it here for today, but I want to help you make your home beautiful and functional all at the same time. Grab whatever size suits your fancy. You're going to take some towels, roll them up. You could use this simply as decoration, but it's also very functional. It's a great way to contain your hand towels. You can get super creative with this. So if you have company coming over or guests coming over, you just want to make your bathroom look more like a spa experience. For $1.25, in fact, even under that, because you got 3 in a pack, you certainly can do that, and you can easily pull a towel in and out. Look at how gorgeous this looks in my bathroom. Yes, and pair it with that $1.25 spray, and you have just up-leveled your bathroom game like none other. And it's great because you can carry this to and from rather than having to hold onto all of those hand towels and try to juggle it. I love this in my gym workout area. Everything looks beautiful. It's functional. It makes me want to work out. Now, these Dollar Tree bins, I have to confess to you, I have purchased so many of them because the quality is excellent. This is in the Dollar Tree Plus section. These $3 bins are also amazing. I will be using them in a future video, but I love that you can stack bathroom items in there. You could put cleaning supplies in there. The quality is wonderful for just $3. And then if you're looking just to make your home even more beautiful, look at this marble collection. I wanted to buy all of it. However, I don't need it. But if you are in the market to do a little redecorating in your home, you are going to love this budget-friendly collection. Now, if you want to see some clever home hacks, click the video on screen now. But if you want to see some more Dollar Tree hidden gems, click this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.